Out of the Jaipur winter shiver, a quick question on values. What inspires you the most?
You see the old culture here and the Indianness, you see, which is being lost in many of the metropolis cities. So when you come here, you find that the traditions are still alive. And I think that is the USP of Jaipur.
What do you think about today's young generation's values?
You see, the young generation's values, there are two types. Higher upper middle class, I don't think they have much intellectual interests. But still we find large number of youth who care for these things, as was very well demonstrated by the recent tragic event in Delhi. Because they did not belong to any party, they did not show any flags, they were just for a cause. And in the shivering sort of cold of Delhi, they made their point. And I think this is what is going to make a change.
I hope that does. One motto that you live by?
Be honest to yourself. That is the main thing, you see. And in whatever way you define ethics, try your best to pursue it. And mostly it is difficult to follow any small things. You are going somewhere, you find something, you just pick it up. Okay. Those are the small things which gradually corrode the whole thing. So I think one has to be very cautious with one's own self on these things.
Absolutely right. What do you think is going to change the environment that we are facing today?
Well, from the kind of response that we get for this festival, the milling crowds that you can see, and I think most of these are young people. So at least they get some touch of the finer values which are represented in literature and fine arts. Because what is happening today is that most of the young people are going for technology, you see. And technology without humanities is very empty, you see. And this is happening with all the private universities that you are seeing. Most of them are either business management or IT or something like that. So when I was Vice Chancellor of Jamia Millia Islamia, so I started a Center for Business Studies. It was not there. So I was invited to address the students. I said, well, I can't teach you anything about business management or other things, but I'll give you one advice. Go and visit all the art galleries of Delhi and try to participate, try to go to various cultural programs which are taking place. And at least you should read one good novel in 6 months, you see. So this is the message I think we should give to the new generation. Technology is important, that's true. But some touch of humanities, which includes literature, which includes sociology, other things, to make you human and not a robot.
Thank you very much, sir. It has been really nice and pleasure talking to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.